we are going to get back to work. We're going to cut out some brush, cut up some trees, and make the driveway look nice. We're going to start that project today. We got a lot of wild over here that we need to take care of. We're hoping to go all the way up to the top of the hill. I don't know, at least 10 feet in on the side of the driveway, just to try to make it look a little bit better. But we're going to start down here at the bottom and work our way up. I'm going to be using this little thing. I've used it once before. Not sure I like it so much, but it was sent to us for free, so I'll review it. So we'll see after today if I really like it or not. It just got like 10 inches of rain in the last few days. So everything flooded down here by the house. And y'all know how I put my little rectangle garden beds right by the lake? Well, one of them went swimming down the river. So I tried to save as many of the veggies that I had planted in there, but I didn't get to save many. So we'll see if anything grows. That little area is drying out now, so hopefully some seeds and stuff will be left in there, and I'll be able to get something out of it. Miles tried to tell me it was too close to the water, and I was like, no, it's not. It'll be fine. Well, it's too close to the water, so. We also have this cute little wood chipper. Hopefully that will come in handy for this. So this thing's growing on me. I haven't had any trouble with it in a while now. And it's doing a good job. I don't know how expensive it is, but they sell it on Amazon. But it comes with 2 batteries, 2 blades, gloves, glasses, and a screwdriver. It is 21 volts, lithium-ion battery. That's the brand. So yeah, I think I do recommend it. Very handy as long as it's working properly. It's a very handy little tool, and it's very, very lightweight and easy to use. I'm gonna take you to the top of the hill so you can see what it looks like all the way down. It's very wild and messy, and we're hoping that eventually on both sides of the driveway, but at least on the south side of the driveway, we're hoping to get that cleaned up.
Now a place the knife is crashed in the Whoa! I just chopped that with a hammer. How did I do that?
It's been nice to have a break from working on anything, honestly. We really needed a break. But our garden's doing good, and I'll show you a little bit of that. Everything's growing nicely. We'll see you next time.